Hold on. Okay, obviously I dyed my hair pink, whatever. So I haven't made a video in a while, so I think that I should do a video. So this is what my videos are doing. I've been getting a lot of, comments on my burping videos, and I haven't made one of those, and this kid, like, made a video of him burping, and then he, like, made his like, username of, like, Burping Girls Rock, so, I don't know, or, like, Belching Girls Rock, or something like that, so, yeah, I'm gonna be doing my Burping 5 video, so, here goes, and I hope you're ready, because I'm in a boyfriend, just kidding, okay. Yeah, I don't know, so, anywho, drama is like all that's been going on lately, that's what my, whatever, it's just been going on about drama, so I am getting rid of it, all drama, gone, whatever, so, yeah, anyways, here goes. Ew, that tasted gross. Period. Ew. My dad's yelling at me. Okay, okay, I think I'm gonna do a few more and then I'm gonna stop because dad's yelling at me. So, yeah.